Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today's day number 984 in a row. Bitcoin looking really nice lately, as well as a lot of the crypto markets, up 4% over the past 24 hours. Price currently $59,795. I have $5,420 in my balance currently. Up 10% the past week, up 23% the past month, and up 426% over the past year. Over 1% a day, crazy gains there. Let's go ahead and scroll down here, see if there's any news. At the end of this video, I'll get into some news that I'm excited about. Jack Dorsey Square doubles its money on a Bitcoin investment. You'll love to see that. Bitcoin hit 60K temporarily, I think. It's just below that right now. Bitcoin rallies past 60K. Apparently there might be a ETF coming, so you guys can search into that if you're interested. But yeah, that's all for news. Bitcoin owned is 0.0906523. You know, our major goal is 0.1 here. So we're gonna keep chipping away at that. Let's tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face, and tap confirm. Just like that, we've added one more dollar to the Bitcoin balance here, and the current Bitcoin owned just bumped up to 0.090668833. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $5,430, 5430 divided by 984 days equals 5.51x on my investment, so doing very well there. What that means, for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $5.51. We're also approaching 1,000 days in a row on this, so that's crazy. That'll be a big milestone as well. Let's go ahead and hop into some of the news today. What do I have for news? Sync is still plugging away on their NFTs. Looks like we've added a few more Time Lords here, so that's cool to see. There's a call today, so I'll be in on that call. There's a quick sneak peek. There's a sneak peek. So the Synchronauts are coming. They're going to be dope. This is one of the more generic ones from what I've seen in the call yesterday. They're showing some crazy ones. So I'm excited for these and what the NFT will be offering. My video cut out there, so I'm not sure what I missed. But next big thing, flying out to Houston for Collecticon tonight. It should be a fun event. If you're in Texas, consider coming out, I guess. But it's like a massive venue. All of these tables here have stuff for sale, like mostly Pokemon cards, but there's probably some other stuff mixed in as well. Sports, Magic, and a lot of these other new TCGs. So it should be a fun time. That'll do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.